In Jain religion, the 24 Tirthankars are prophets, and one of them, Parshvanatha Bhagwan, he is depicted with the hood of serpent above his head, the five-headed serpent behind the sage who is meditating. Now, similar pictures you would see of Lord Shiva, Devi, and also Lord Vishnu sitting, and there is a five-hooded serpent. Now, what is the secret about it? Earlier this day, I was just putting my mind and said, okay, this is a very good subject for meditation. The five hood represent the five senses. Now, when we sleep, what happens? Our mind, our consciousness still, in the dream state, it can still see, it can touch, it can taste. It does the job of all the five senses, right? So all the five senses are hidden in the consciousness. So though eyes are closed, you are able to see in dreams. Though you are not tasting something, you are able to taste in dream. So all the five functions are inherent in the consciousness. In fact, it is the consciousness which experiences the world outside through the five senses. Which is the one which is experiencing? The consciousness. So it has an element of all the five senses in it, which are called tanmatras. Means a little bit of that is present, of the elements outside is present in the senses and in the master of senses, that is the mind. So now when we meditate, we see that we have all this ability embedded in our own consciousness. So let us close our eyes, relax our body, these five different energies of sight, taste, sound, touch and smell open up different dimension of our own universe. They are all the powers in you, and they can all be represented like as a snake. Snake is a symbol of alertness and power. So let us close our eyes and relax our whole body. Let's take a deep breath in and we'll say Om. Om means love and peace. Let's spread that vibration around us and within us. Om. Om. This time when you chant Om, when you make the sound, remember it is a power, it's energy which is gushing through the whole body and going up behind your body. Om. सूंघने की शक्ति, स्पर्श का शक्ति, रसनेंद्रिय का शक्ति, नयन का शक्ति, हमारे पांचों इंद्रिया ज्ञानेंद्रिय की जो शक्ति है, ये नाग के 5 फन हैं। यह हमारी चेतना में छिपी हुई है। इस वक्त आंखें बंद है, आप सीधा बैठे हुए हो, शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दें। This moment you're sitting with your spine erect, your shoulders are relaxed. Relax your whole body. Now let's keep all our attention in the mind. It is our mind which has the power to see. Eyes are only an instrument, but the sight is in the mind. Let's take our mind to the back of the head. मन को सिर के पीछे ले जाइए. इस वक्त आंख से काम नहीं ले रहे हैं, मगर वो दर्शन शक्ति हमारे मन में है, आप में है. The power of sight is inherent or embedded in your mind. This is one hood of your own self, your consciousness, which is right behind you. Sense of taste is also embedded in the consciousness as a second hood, which is in the back of your head. This moment we are not using any of our senses, but we are focusing on our consciousness. Our consciousness can see, smell, taste, touch. All in the dream state. Recollect these abilities embedded in you in your dream state. This moment you are not sleeping, you are awake, and in your consciousness these five abilities are alive. Sense of taste, smell, touch, sight, and sound. आपके भीतर इस वक्त घ्राण शक्ति भी, सूंघने की शक्ति भी जागृत है. Become aware of your spine and the back of your head. As you take your attention through your back, you may feel some sensation. मन को अपने रीढ़ की हड्डी पर और सिर पर ले जाते ही कुछ संवेदना महसूस हो सकता है. शरीर को विश्राम में जाने दीजिए, मन को जागृत रखे रहे. Let the body rest, go into deeper rest, and let the mind be alert, like the hood of a serpent. this moment, the power of sight, the ability of sight is alive in your consciousness. You are able to hear the sounds. There's a keenness of listening also alive right this moment. Take a deep breath in and breathe out and feel the air all around you. Through your whole body, you are feeling the air that's all around you. Now, the sense of touch is also alive right at this moment in you. Let the body relax. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. So are the touch and so are the fragrance and taste. Notice the tiny little breath that is going up and down through your nostrils. Sense of fragrance is also a power of the consciousness. Now let go all your efforts and simply relax. Knowing all the five senses, the abilities of the five senses are alive in your consciousness. ये पांचों क्षमताएं हमारी चेतना में निहित है, जागृत है। इतना जानकर विश्राम करें। शरीर अधिक विश्राम में जाने दें। मन फन खोलकर खड़ा है, पांचों मुंह के साथ। Your mind is aware, alert, with the five abilities. The body is taking deep rest. Let go of all your efforts and your imaginations. Just know the fact that your consciousness has the five abilities, five powers in it. Seeing power, tasting power to taste, power to touch, smell, and hear. Let them all be fully awakened right this moment. Mind is keen in observation of sound, sight, taste, touch and smell. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Relax your shoulders. You may notice you feel less and less of the body, more and more of your mind or your consciousness. Your shift is already happening to your consciousness with all abilities in it. Just let it be. Heightened awareness and a relaxed body is what we are witnessing right this moment. You're totally in the present moment now. The entire past is washed out and no concern of the future. Right this moment, you are 100% alert, awake, and blissful. Our body is like the hardware and mind is like the software attached to it with all its information. Just let go of all your efforts this moment. Another deep breath in and relax. Let go of all your efforts. Nothing to do now, nothing to know either. इस वक्त सब चेष्टा छोड़ दें, ना कुछ करना है ना ही कुछ जानना है, शांत हो जाए. ओम शांति. Shanti, Shanti. Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surroundings. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Relax your body now even more. एक गहरी सांस लीजिए, मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते लीजिए और धीरे धीरे सांस छोड़ें। सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते और आंखें भी खोल सकते हैं। You may gently open your eyes.